What's up, guys? For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new redesigned 2018 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. So on the driver door, you have the window control. The driver's side window is fully automatic. Right above it, you have the mirror controls. You also have 2-stage memory seat. And right down here, you have your trunk opener with the Bose speaker and storage. And on the left-hand side steering wheel, you have your light controls with fog lights. And on the steering wheel, you have leather-wrapped steering wheel. On the left-hand side, you have your cruise controls with heated steering wheel and collision alert. And on the right-hand side, you have your controls for the infotainment system and voice commands.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, say call followed by the number, like this. Speech session ended. Goodbye.
And on the screen you have your speeds with your speed limit. You also have your trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, timer, battery voltage, transmission fluid, and blank page. You also have your audio, phone, navigation, and options. You have your units, information pages. You can customize which you want to see. You have your speed warning. Right along the center console you have the 8-inch navigation screen. And right behind it you have a padded storage with USB port. You also have your radio controls, climate controls with heated vented seats. You also have 2 USB port, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet. A wireless charging. And in the middle you have the 9-speed automatic transmission with manual mode and backup camera and bird's eye view, also with guidance lines. You also have 2 cup holders, traction control, lane keep assist, ice mode and trailing package, and your electronic parking brake. And on the screen you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have your phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And on the screen you have your audio. You have FM, Sirius XM, and AM. You also have phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have your navigation. You have your settings. You have time and date, rear seat reminder, language, valet mode. You have teen driver. You can view report cards such as distance driven and maximum speed, and you can manage settings. You also have your radio, vehicle controls, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice, display, return to factory settings, and Wi-Fi. You also have your weather, text,
OnStar ready.
OnStar.
Call. Thank you. Goodbye.
You also have your rear climate controls, your camera, your front camera and your rear with the bird's eye view. You have your traffic and the shop. And on the window sticker, the standard vehicle price is $45,000. They added the trailing equipment and the driver confident 2 package, which includes following distance indicator, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, low speed forward auto braking, pedestrian braking, and the high beam controls, which all comes up to $47,120. Here's the final assembly. 5-star safety ratings and fuel economy.